If you want your 3D Gaussian Splat files to load fast in VIVERSE, you need to convert your .ply into a super compressed .sog file. Here's how to do it. First, make sure you have Node installed. Go to nodejs.org, download the installer, and you'll get both Node and NPM in one shot. Now let's navigate to the PlayCanvas developer documentation and follow the steps to download their CLI tool, splat-transform. Open terminal and type in this command. If you run into this error, you need to provide your computer's login info before terminal can run certain commands. Type sudo before the command, which will allow you to input your password. Heads up, nothing will appear as you type, so just go ahead and finish your complete password, then press enter. This command will confirm that splat-transform is downloaded by showing us the current version. Drop your PLY file onto your desktop so it's easy to find. Next, we'll go back to terminal and type in this command. This will direct to the location of your file. And this command will start the transform. Be sure to replace input.ply with your file name. That's it. Your PLY file becomes a tiny .sog file, mobile friendly, fast loading, and ready for PlayCanvas and VIVERSE.